Assalamu alaikum. My name is Waqar Ahmad, and today I am showing you that how can we make happy birthday animation for everyone. So let's start our happy birthday animation. First, I will choose a background for our birthday animation party. So the party is our birthday animation. So we got the 40 date when green flag light for evenly change color effect by 25. Let's check it. And stats round duplicate. We will duplicate this and we should start sound. We'll choose. We will set a timer. That is wait 0.1 second. Wait 0.1 second. So we will do the sound to happy birthday. Happy birthday. So it is our birthday song. So okay. And then we will choose our backdrop to write something. Now backdrop that is happy birthday to I write happy birthday to Waqar. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Waqar. Okay, we write this. Okay, then we should regret it. So it okay, and then we should button search the button or button one should we should that when green flag when this bright light switch backdrop to 40, and when big green flag light switch backdrop 1. Let's check it. Okay, it's worked. So we should do a code that when backdrop switches to 40. Okay, and when backdrop switches to 40 should do. Okay, it's work. And we should put the button that when this white light hide also hide and show. Books and hide and show. And green black and when this bright light hide. So let's check it. Okay, it works. And then we remove this cat and also add the cake. So the cake should be the code have when green flag left. No, when because it is to be 40 to 40. Show and when green flag left hide. When the crop stitches and foreverly change y by repeat 10 and 10 times. Change change x by 5 and change x by negative 5. 5 and also go to x y when game flag like it. Okay. Or we should say that wait 0.1 second and 1 at work. We should wait 0.1 second. Okay. It's work so it wait. It's so it's for Corona. So it is our happy birthday animation. I hope that you like it. It is very fantastic. That how can we make a happy birthday animation?